Once again.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn for Life. Today I would like to show you how to connect your iPhone to smart TV and use your voice to search any content you want to watch on YouTube. Okay, so the first you have to go to the Wi-Fi and connection the same network of your smart TV, and then okay, I already connect, and then you go to the YouTube app. Okay, so any content that you want to watch on smart TV, and you just use the Google voice search here by tapping here. I will always with you. Okay, it I will be right here for you. So okay, you just connect this one and go to connect it to your smart TV. Okay, it's already connected successfully. Come on, the song that I just ordered is coming, and it will be play on my smart TV. Okay, what you have to do is connect your smart TV to the Wi-Fi network and connect your smartphone, your iPhone to the same Wi-Fi network, and you just tap on this one. It will show you the TV list, and you just connect to the TV list. Okay, thank you. Connect to the smart TV, sorry. Bye. If you don't like this one, you just go back, tap on the search result, this one, and you can say anything you want to search. Okay, it will be list, and the language, to change the language on YouTube search, YouTube voice search, you can go back to my last tutorial. Thank you.
Once again.